What's up, cool kids? It's the kid Cool Dad.
My name's Bishop. Matt. Zaheem.
And today we're going to have another Nerf gun battle, part 2. But this time I brought some special guests with me. Special guests, come out. Hey, there they go. These are my nephews, Tyson and Chauncey. What's your name?
Chauncey.
Say your name, twin. Tyson? Okay. These are the cool kids' cousins right here, as you guys can see. Whole lot of family twinning going on. And today we're going to start a part 2 to the Nerf gun battle. So I'm going to get these guys all set up, and we're going to run around and shoot each other up. You guys ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. I've already explained the rules to my nephews and my sons. If you get hit 3 times, you are out. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, there they go right there. Yeah, you gotta go get the twins. Here they come, here they come. Come back, twin, come back, twin. Gotta stay in the battlefield. Hey, that's one. Excuse me. That's one for Chauncey. Oh, that's one for Tyson? My bad, you all look alike. When y'all hit somebody, say hit them, okay?
I hit one.
Who you hit? Who'd you hit? Zamar? All right, he got you one. 1 and 1, Tyson. Who's gonna get Bishop? Who's gonna get Bishop? There you go. Oh, he broke your ankles. You missed him. I got it. Get the bullet.
I got ankles, not loco.
Go get him, twin. Go get him, twin. You gotta shoot, Bishop. Pop.
No, we did not.
You wanna shoot somebody? It don't time out. Pop.
He hit my gun.
1.
He hit my gun.
Hey, Bishop, watch out. There's cars coming, son.
I got gotcha.
Bot 1 for Heem, Tyson, and Bishop.
I will get hit.
That's 2. Heem, one more time, you're out. Bishop is running around like Harriet Tubman right now. Y'all can't catch him.
He's in the streets.
You gotta get out the street, son. You cannot go on the street, Bishop.
I got him.
You got him?
Yep.
That's 2, Bishop.
You dead.
Okay, we'll keep running and shoot him. He got you right there.
I got him.
That's 2.
I got him.
Oh! He fell. They taking this real serious. What we gonna do? Oh, he missed you. He missed you. Getting tired?
Yeah.
That's 3, Bishop. You are out.
I'm running out of breath.
That.
Now
You-
the kid.
Hold on, you gotta give him time to run. Go run, Mar.
No, I'm Tyson C. I'm like, come on, Mar. Don't make us lose.
Little did y'all know, Uncle's involved. Boop. That's 1 for you. That's 1 for you. I gotta get up out of here. Gotta run for cover. Can't get me, bro. I'm gonna hit him right in this. Boop! Got you! Ah, he got me! All right, Uncle Zamar got 1. Oh, that's 2. Hit me in my butt. I got this all on camera, guys. Unfortunately,
That was fast.
Tyson won.
Ah!
Do you dance, Tyson? Do you dance? Hey, 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 hey.
Next round.
All right, guys. That was it.
Yeah.
Our special guests, Tyson and Chauncey, Zaheem and Bishop, and we signing out.
My name is Bishop. C. Chauncey. Tyson.
And it's your boy Cool Dad, and we signing out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our videos, please. Every video is posted every Sunday, and we out. Deuces!